Hello folks, can you see me in the reflection there? I think so, there I am. I'm ready to go do a little sightseeing here. I'm in La Bresse, France, at a beautiful guest house called Ome Sweet Home, and I will tag them in this video. I was just talking to my mom on WhatsApp. She's in Oklahoma, so she's only 7 hours earlier than me, and I was watching the bees and the butterflies here and all the lavender. It's just, I'm so happy to see bees. I don't know if you can see them. They're buzzing about. I'll just hold the camera very still. I stayed up. Let's see, I landed around 10:15. Finally probably got to my car around 12:30 or something. Drove 2 hours to get here. And then I stayed up. I really forced myself to stay up all day. Went to bed around 10 p.m. And I had a very comfortable room. I have a little tour of the hotel. Here's the sign with the flowers. That I'll show you of the indoor of the place. It's actually a guest house. There's a swimming pool in the back, and you'll see that it's a very beautiful, great room inside with a beautiful open staircase. It's hosted by Chantal and Eve, and they are just such a sweet couple. And I was coming down. I told her I would have breakfast at 9 just to force myself to get on the schedule, even though I don't normally like to eat really early. So I woke up at 10 of and went down the stairs. And I'm going to just show you the neighbors, and that I'm in the middle of farmland, which is a perfect place for a farm girl like myself. This is a little town, little village in the middle of farmland, and I'm on that's my little car there. I'm on my way into Troyes to walk around the cobblestone streets of the medieval old town, old city, and be a little bit of a tourist. Anyway, on my way down to breakfast this morning with all the French families, 2 other French families sitting at the large table, I slipped and fell down the stairs because I was basically sleepwalking in the middle of my night, and I really banged myself up. I'm okay, but you know, I was so embarrassed. I really was just so embarrassed and so unhappy. And I got a lot of bruises and subluxations, and I'm away from my acupuncturist and chiropractor and massage therapist. And I'll do a lot of good self-care, and I'm sure I'll find some massage while I'm here. So this is Alane Freund at Ome Sweet Home, and I'm gonna sign out and hit the road. I'll see you in Troyes.